So I honestly had no idea what to expect when I decided to come do my yoga teacher training. It has been quite a journey the past month. Teachers were fantastic. It was some of the hardest asana classes I've ever done, and very grateful for the experience. All the teachers, everyone involved was very professional and welcoming, and the hospitality was amazing, and the people I've met and shared the whole experience with have been amazing. Yeah, so I can highly recommend doing this to anybody. I'm only leaving with good memories, so thank you.